Welcome to this deep dive. Today, we're really just cutting straight to the core issue for so many homeowners: water. Specifically, how keeping it away from your foundation is, well, it's the key to protecting your whole house, especially if you live somewhere that gets a ton of rain.
That's exactly right. And for you, we looked into materials from localized experts, like Pacific Blue Mechanical and Plumbing.
Yeah.
The mission here is to understand why good downspout drainage isn't just a nice-to-have thing in a place like Vancouver.
Oh, yeah.
It's the absolute critical defense for your home's structure.
Okay, so let's unpack that. I mean, everyone knows Vancouver gets a lot of rain, but why is that so uniquely challenging there compared to, a drier place?
It's the sheer volume
Yeah.
and the consistency.
Yeah.
Especially in fall and winter, it just doesn't stop.
Right.
And Vancouver has this tricky geography. You've got steep hills and then really flat areas. So the water, it doesn't always have a natural place to go. It just pools up.
And when it pulls up right next to the house, what's the actual danger? I mean, it's more than just a little puddle, right?
Oh, absolutely. That water soaks into the soil right against the concrete. The soil swells, it pushes. But the real killer is the freeze-thaw cycle in the winter.
Ah, okay. So the water gets in tiny cracks, freezes, expands.
And it just pries them open.
Yeah.
Exactly. What starts as a hairline crack can become a major structural problem. That's how you get basement flooding, chronic dampness, and really costly damage.
Sounds like an absolute nightmare. Okay, so let's flip this. Let's talk about the solution. What are the big benefits of getting this stuff done right by experts? Besides, avoiding a $50,000 repair bill.
Well, the benefits really fall into three buckets.
Yeah.
Health, money, and peace of mind.
Okay, let's start with health. How does drainage affect health?
Damp places are basically a playground for mold. It loves it. So good drainage cuts off the water supply for mold and mildew. That means fewer breathing problems, fewer allergies, just a healthier house.
So protecting your foundation is actually protecting your lungs. I like that. What about the money side? Beyond repairs, is it a good investment?
100%. A house with known water issues. That's a huge red flag for buyers. It kills your property value. But if you fix it, you're not just preventing damage, you're actively adding value. And then there's peace of mind.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Knowing it's been handled by professionals, like the ones you'd find through Pacific Blue Mechanical and Plumbing, often with a warranty. You stop worrying every time it pours rain.
Okay, so let's get specific. The sources you looked at mentioned some key fixes. What are they suggesting for a climate that wet?
They focus on moving a lot of water fast and far. The simplest fix is just extending your downspouts. But the detail matters.
How so?
They recommend getting the water at least 6 feet away from the foundation.
6 feet. Is that like a magic number, or is that specific to Vancouver's soil and heavy rain?
It's tailored. Any closer, and that saturated soil is still putting pressure on your basement walls. 6 feet is kind of the minimum safe zone. For bigger problems, they'll use something like a French drain.
Which is what exactly?
It's basically a perforated pipe in a gravel-filled trench. It just collects all that excess groundwater and channels it away safely underground.
So for you listening, what's the one thing you can do to keep this all working?
It's simple, really. Maintenance. You have to clean your gutters at least twice a year. If you wait until you see a waterfall coming over the side,
You're already too late.
you're already too late. Check for clogs, rust, anything blocking the flow, especially right before that rainy season hits.
So what this all really boils down to is taking care of your downspouts is about protecting your home structure, your wallet, and your family's health. It's a triple win.
And if we want to connect it to an even bigger picture, the efficiency of your home's drainage actually helps your whole community. It reduces stormwater runoff, which means fewer contaminants flooding into local streams and rivers.
So here's a thought to take with you. How can a simple check of your gutters this week actually help keep your local environment just a little bit cleaner? We hope you enjoyed this deep dive.